Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can translate any videos on CapCut PC. You do need to have the Pro feature though. However, if you go to AI Avatar, you'll see Video Translator here. You're going to upload the file that you want to translate. Unfortunately, again, I can't show you because I don't have CapCut Pro. It will detect the source language, or you already know what the language is. For instance, you want to translate a French video into an English video, you can do that. Then you're also, if you want, you can also enable lip sync or not. So basically the lip movement of the person your video is translating to is going to move, I guess. And then you're just going to select translate. And that is how you can translate any videos that you want in another language. I don't know how accurate this is, but that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.